Hello, welcome to the homestead. In this video, I am fixing my dishwasher. I had to do some troubleshooting first, and the problem with my dishwasher is that it was not letting water in to the chamber. So it could have been a couple of things. There is a float on the inside of the dishwasher. It could have been. And I checked the float and it was not stuck in the up position. So it was most likely the water inlet valve. So the water inlet valve is a very simple part to replace. And so I'm just going to show you. It's a very simple process. But the first thing that you need to do is shut off your breaker for power, and then also shut off your water supply to the dishwasher. Those are very important steps before you get started. Now, when I first got started, I tried to access the water inlet valve from the front of the dishwasher, and you can see here that I had a drain pipe in the way, but I had to first get off the hoses. There are two hoses. There's the water intake, which is a copper tube attached to the bottom of the water inlet valve, and then the water goes into the dishwasher through this black hose. And then it's got a little power connector. I realized that I was having a really hard time getting access to the back of the water inlet valve. It was easier to access from behind the dishwasher like this.
Where are you going with the camera?
I was going to show people how to fix their dishwasher.
That's a great idea. Can I be in the video?
Yeah.
I just got to take my boots off just a minute ago.
Fair enough. Alright.
Now let's get to the video. So there's some we had trouble with. She's the one holding the camera. She's the director of this video. She suggested we do sledge. This isn't a sledgehammer. I just call it a sledgehammer because I want to. Just let me call it a sledgehammer.
Yeah.
So this sledgehammer.
Alright.
It's a ridge, a giant ridge.
Yes.
A very giant ridge.
But is it the right size? We don't know yet. We'll have to try it. Once I have the water inlet valve installed, I will need to turn on the water and turn on the power. Don't forget, anytime you're working on your plumbing, it's really important to do a leak check. Even one small drop over time can cause a lot of damage. So it's very, very important that everything is bone dry underneath there. Now I have a working dishwasher and I'm able to do my dishes in the dishwasher. Fantastic! I'm so excited about having a working dishwasher now. If you liked this video, please comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye.